You may recall that when we set up the machine in the first place, going to settings, we looked at making sure that your administrative account was linked to an email. For security purposes, I'm just using a local account, but yours should now be linked to some account. It's sometimes useful to put your picture in here so that if you're using secure Microsoft products, people can see who you are. Things like a local business version of Yammer. There are various sign-in options that Windows allows. First of all, it can set how long it is that you're away and not using the machine. So it's been inactive for 3 minutes. It asks me to sign into the Windows again. I can change my password here, which is a fairly standard operation. And here I can set a PIN number to allow me to get into Windows. It's a 4-digit PIN, and that's the best way of getting into a machine quickly, rather than having to keep putting your password in. There's also the picture password option, and on some versions of Windows you can use your retina scan as well. Have a go at setting those. We can also add other users. Now, sometimes it's very handy to have a machine where you want to lend it to somebody but you don't want them tampering with your settings or seeing your emails. So if you click on add someone else, Microsoft Windows will try and ask you for sign-in emails for them. I don't want to do that. Neither, in fact, on the next screen do I want to create an account for them. I just want to add a user without a Microsoft account, and I can put in guest user, put in a password, make sure it's a reasonably secure password, and then click on next. You then see that you've created a guest user account, and so people can now log onto your machine, but they'll only get local account settings as a guest user. Let's have a quick look at that. Change account type. You'll see that they're just a standard user, not an administrator.